After downloading your eOCI card, if you see that the eOCI card is reflecting not the updated information or some information you see is incorrect, in that case, you come to the dashboard, and here in dashboard eOCI card, instead of download eOCI card, you will click on issue in the generated eOCI card. Once you click on the issue in generated eOCI card, this opens up, and here you will select one or more option. In case you find your photo to be incorrect, you will select this and update. My photo is not up to date. The eOCI card shows my old photo, and then click submit. In case it is incorrect detail, in that case you select this and then you enter what is incorrect. My profession shows as student, whereas the updated one is services, and then you click submit. In case it is incomplete detail, then you select this and then you enter the detail. For example, my address is not showing in detail. The correct address is, and then go ahead and mention the address in detail and then submit. If it is something else, you select others and then accordingly update. And as it says, select one or more, you can select whichever is applicable in your case and then make an entry here and then go ahead and submit. Once this is submitted, once the details are updated, you'll be able to download the eOCI card by coming and clicking